How to connect FTMO to Metatrader 5. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Metatrader 5, then click on File at the top left corner of your screen. After you've clicked on File, click on Open an Account in here. Then, at the search bar top, search FTMO and click on Find Your Company. Click on FTMO and press on Next at the bottom. After you have done that, you can simply open your FTMO account. On the left side, click on Account, and in here you'll find your account ID and password. Copy it. After you've copied, go to Metatrader 5 and type in your login and password, and make sure your server is FTMO. Then press on Finish at the bottom. Then you will be connected to FTMO. And this is how to connect FTMO to Metatrader 5. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.